What's up guys, Kochi here. As some of you may know, I'm a hairdresser based in Stockholm. Many of my videos are men's hairstyle tutorials and how-tos, but I'm bringing something a little bit different to you guys today. As a hairstylist, I often get asked for tips and what products help with thinning hair and balding hair. Unfortunately, there are hundreds of thousands of men and women that experience hair loss, and if you currently aren't, it's always good to prevent hair loss. So, I wanted to let you guys know about this company called iRestore Laser. iRestore has these hair restoration devices that use low-level laser therapy technology to combat thinning hair. Sounds complicated, right? But it actually isn't. I'm sure you guys have heard of laser therapy for skincare and wrinkles. Well, this is a similar concept but for hair growth. The lasers help cells absorb light energy to increase cell metabolism and stimulate energy production in dormant follicles. It's like watering plants that haven't been grown in a long time. It comes back to life and starts growing again. Let me show you guys. iRestore sent me their most advanced device, the iRestore Professional, which was recently released. This device has an amazing combination of 282 laser LEDs, which is where the magic happens. The technology here is FDA cleared, clinically proven and non-invasive. They have another model that covers mainly top coverage, but the version I have has extended side and back coverage to further treat hair loss on the top of the scalp as well as harder to reach areas. My favorite part is that it's hands-free and it has these medical grade cushions, so it's super easy and comfortable to wear. The device comes with a wall adapter, but there's an option to buy the battery pack, which allows you to move around. I'm gonna use it with a battery pack so it's easier to show you guys. So just attach the battery pack to the digital controller connected to the device. After that, just press the start button and you're set. You can see the lights flashing, pretty cool, huh? The device has safety sensors so it won't turn on if you're not wearing the device. And if you need to pause it for any reason during the treatment, just press the pause button right here. I did some research on iRestore myself, and they're the best in the game. I know there's a lot of other treatments for hair loss such as topicals, minoxidil and finasteride, but those often come with negative side effects, which is a big no to me. There's also other laser devices, but iRestore design seems to be the most durable, plus it's completely hands-free, so it's convenient and would last a long time. They have amazing reviews on Amazon and they did a clinical study themselves in which 100% of users saw results. There are some before and after photos I saw on their page. That's so amazing to me. And if you want to try the iRestore Professional device yourself, I have an affiliate link that you can use in the description below with a discount code for $200 off the Pro device. iRestore actually has a new 12 months 100% money back guarantee, so you can shop confidently. They will actually give you a refund without any restock fees and cover return shipping if you're not satisfied. That's how much they believe in the product, and I think it's great. If you're going through hair loss, experiencing thinning, or just want fuller hair, definitely check out their products. It's a great investment for a long term if you think about it. Thank you for watching, and thank you to iRestore for sponsoring this video. Stay tuned for more updates. And before I end this video, I want to let you guys know about the very special giveaway iRestore is currently running. They will be giving away one iRestore Pro device to one lucky winner every month.